guys? It's Crypto Ether back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose, right? That being said, guys, it is 2022, guys. January 1st. We are in it in a new year. Let's go. I am so hyped for crypto this year, guys. It's going to be a huge year for crypto in my opinion. And honestly, one of those projects that I have my eyes on is Saitama. Now, guys, if you haven't seen my previous videos on Saitama, I will link those down below in the description for you guys. I talk about pretty much everything from A to Z with Saitama, guys. Like, I break down use case, market cap, so on and so forth. So I highly suggest watching those videos. But today we're just going to jump into the Twitter account and check out some recent announcements. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. Let's see here. Okay, perfect place to start. Saitama audit is now complete. Saitama Wolfpack. Check out the full report now. So guys, you can check out the CerTic audit. I highly recommend that you guys do that, not only with this project but any other project. You guys should definitely be looking through the audits yourselves and just giving it, some due diligence, guys. These are the very important aspects that we should be checking out in cryptocurrencies, right? CerTic audits are huge, and Saitama seems to have passed it with flying colors, guys. So very cool stuff. Let's see what else we have here. New listing in India, right? So I don't want to mispronounce that. Is that Coinbazar, right? Coinbazar. Really cool, guys. Cool to see us getting listed on new exchanges. The more exchanges, the more eyes we get, and yeah, that's just better for mass adoption, guys. Really cool stuff. Let's keep going here. Hey everyone, looks like we're getting closer than ever to the Saitama launch. The apps are finally on the Play Store and App Store, just finishing a few reviews and should be coming shortly. The Play App Store tests apps, which will be updated with the mainnet live version on release, right? So Saitama is coming. Let's see. Inu Saitama, please join me next Monday at 8 p.m. EST for a live Twitter stream with Invest Voyager. Great for info, new or current investors alike. So guys, these are the kind of things that you want to be joining up and just paying attention to if you're trying to do your own research, guys. These are absolutely huge and just really cool platforms to intake some good info, right? So really cool stuff. You love to see it. Saitama will be listing on 5th January to Coinsbit India. Pairing will be USDT, ETH, and INR. So guys, again, more listings. This is what we want for Saitama. We want it to be a listing machine. We want everybody to know what Saitama is, right? So again, really good stuff. And guys, this is key right here. The Saitama press release. Let's jump into it, guys. This is what I base on making this video for. Really good stuff coming out from CerTic about our audit, right? Really cool stuff. So let's jump right into it. Saitama, one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies and community-driven platforms, announced that its Saitama ecosystem has passed an audit and been certified by CerTic, one of the most trusted blockchain security audit firms, which utilizes best-in-class AI technology to secure and monitor blockchain protocols and smart protocols. CerTic is a decentralized proof engine that mathematically ensures that blockchain ecosystems are bug-free and hacker-resistant. Now, guys, this is very key. You want investors to feel safe when putting their money into a cryptocurrency, and what CerTic does is bridge that gap and give you transparency on a project that you did not normally have. They are a very professional company that goes through a project's code very thoroughly with a fine-tooth comb and make sure that there is nothing at all suspicious about it, right? So this is very key into getting more investors into our project, guys. So really killed it with this CerTic audit. Let's keep going. And it's In only its first 6 months, Saitama has already estimated 300,000 token holders with a fully diluted market cap of $4 billion. By passing the audit, Saitama expects to grow on that fast start as CertiK makes it easier to apply for, be listed on additional exchanges, thus making the token more easily available, right? This is what I'm talking about, guys. When you get CertiK audits done, these big exchanges look at your project much differently, guys. This is just makes it a lot easier to get listed on those big exchanges that we want, right? Like Coinbase, Robinhood, Binance. These are the things that we want to get listed on, guys, and CertiK is definitely our fast track to that, right? So let's keep going here. Passing the audit by CertiK is an important step in Saitama's growth as a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities, said Max Hernandez, CTO of Saitama. Saitama is a smart wallet. Saitamask is a smart wallet allowing investors from any level to be in control by serving as a one-stop shop where users can connect their payment system of choice and be able to buy, sell, transfer, and do whatever they need with any coin without leaving the mobile app. As Saitamask continues to be enhanced, Saitama envisions it as serving as a hub connecting users to multiple tools, helping them analyze and make investment choices, and to an edutainment platform designed to be a learning tool about finance investing. Saitamask is expected to be available in app stores and download in early January. And here we are, January 1st, 2022, guys. I'm saying. Russell Arman, COO of Saitama, added the certification proves that Saitama's blockchain technology is hacker resistant and free of all major and critical bugs, giving even greater confidence to larger exchanges. Existing coin holders and potential new purchases added confidence in Saitama and its continued growth. The Saitama token has its fair launch on the Ethereum ERC network May 31st, 2021. It's a medium for transactions and money systems on its own, with smart coding that benefits loyal holders with rewards to protect against big wallet holders, whales, from trying to manipulate the price in their favor or from dumping the token by selling out. About Saitama. Saitama is a fast-growing cryptocurrency and community-driven platform with the mission to help to promote financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and to create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is built on the Ethereum blockchain with a smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. Saitama believes that the transparency is a key factor for the success and longevity of its project and is therefore committed to a series of measures aimed at making the Saitama the most transparent project in the alt crypto market. More info at saitamatoken.com. I will leave that link down below in the description as well, so you guys can check it out for yourselves. And also to this article, right? So guys, basically if I sum up this article, they're just saying that, CertiK audit for this Saitamask is just going to open up doors for new exchanges to take us a little bit more seriously. It kind of greases the hinges, right, guys? So that being said, guys, if we can nail down these huge exchanges, I do believe, not financial advice, but if we were to get listed on Binance, we will most likely see a price influx, most likely, guys. Not financial advice, but it just brings a lot of holders. If we're going off of what SHIB did, SHIB absolutely skyrocketed when it got listed on Binance. It just usually calls for an increase in volume, guys. Like, there's a lot of people watching and waiting on Binance, and once you get listed there, those people definitely decide to invest. They're like, okay, well, now it's Binance level, maybe we should pay attention. And then, you get those really big investors, right? So that being said, guys, I would definitely stay tuned to Saitama. Maybe just pay attention to their Twitter account. That's usually where they drop the big news. Either that or in the Telegram or the Discord, right? But I like to come to Twitter. It's usually the first place that everybody looks, right? So just really cool stuff to pay attention to in 2022, guys. I would definitely keep my eyes peeled for Saitama and check out the moves that it's making, and I highly suggest that you do your own research and just look into the project, right? That being said, guys, this is my first video of 2022. Make sure you smash that like button for me, you hit that notification bell, and you subscribe, because I'm going to keep bringing you guys more fire content every single day. We are going non-stop this year, guys. I want to grow this channel to at least 100K by January 1st of next year. Also, I would like to become a millionaire in between the crypto and NFT space, so I really do want you guys to come along with me on my journey, right? And if you guys do want to support me on my journey, I always leave my Ethereum address down below in the description, so feel free to donate to the channel, right? I really do appreciate you guys always being so great, or always being so supportive. I'm very, very grateful for each and every one of you guys. You guys have absolutely changed my life this year, and I just really can't express my gratitude for you guys. So keep killing it for me, guys, and I'm gonna keep smashing out this fire content for you. So that being said, 2022 is our year, guys. Thanks for sticking with me, and if you're new here, stick with me. We're gonna get it this year. Let's go. Crypto Ether, and I am out of here, guys. Happy New Year.